yeah. I know. Yeah. Hey girlie, you got it, you know that I want it. As soon as you walk through, I knew that you'll be perfect for me. Perfection, that's what you blessed with. Ain't no other girl I'm trying to get next to.
Whoa, little sexy! What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these knotless braids on myself. This is actually my very first time doing my own knotless braids, and I am so in love. It's so lightweight, and it only took one pack of hair, y'all. I am just in love. If you guys are interested in seeing how I curled the ends, definitely make sure you stay tuned. I will be dropping a video on Friday showing you guys how to curl the ends of your box braids. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification symbol so that you're notified when I upload. Alright you guys, so this is the hair that I'm using. And I did do a separate video, which I will link down below, on this hair because it is pre-rinsed. So there's no chemicals that'll irritate your scalp. But I only used one pack of this. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So here I am on my last 4 sections, and I'm just showing you how I have them parted out. And I'm going to start with the back section. So of course, I'm going to be taking my Shine and Jam, and I'm just going to apply that to the root of the braid, the base of the braid, all the way around. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with a comb and just lightly detangle my hair so that it is much easier for me to braid. So I'm going to comb that root out as well. And now you see me, I'm going to go ahead and section my 3 sections for a braid. Then I went under once and then twice. Now I'm taking my first piece of hair and just putting it under my index finger and continuing to braid. Then I'm just going to repeat these same steps, and I think I added about 3 to 5 pieces of hair per braid, just depending on how it felt, if it felt thick enough or not. So it's really up to you however thick you want your braids, but like I said, I added about 3 to 5 pieces. And then when I'm continuing to braid down, I do add a little bit more product to my hair to flatten it out. And then I also will go back with a comb just to make sure everything is staying nice and detangled. And then I'm just going to braid until I get to the end. And I did leave about, I don't know, maybe 6 inches of hair out because I do want to curl the ends. So there's my first braid, and I'm just going to move on to the next section and do that exact same thing. So once again, I'm taking the Shine and Jam, putting it all around the base of the braid, then going in with a comb and combing it out. And then I'm going to separate my hair into 3. Then I'm going to go under once, under twice. Then I'm going to add my first piece of hair right under my index finger. Then I'm going to go under once again, and then under twice, and then grab my next piece. And you're just going to keep doing that until you have the thickness of the braid that you want. So yeah, I'm going to quit talking now and just let you guys watch the remainder of the video because it's definitely pretty easy to catch on to. But yeah, you don't need me to talk through the rest of it. And if this is too fast for you, there is an option in the bottom right corner of the video where you can slow the speed down so that you can see it better, if that helps at all. So I'm going to let you guys watch me finish these last 2 braids.
Yeah, you know that I always got you. Yeah. Now I'ma hold you down now. Yeah, you know that I always got you. Yeah.
I want you. Girl, I cruise and I roll through my town. Is you rolling with me? And I'd be good if you holding me down. Cause you're perfect for me. You're perfect for me. Yeah, you're perfect for me. Hey, this is my baby and she perfect for me. You're perfect for me. Yeah, you're perfect for me. Hey. It's my baby and she perfect for me. All I want is you, girl, me and you against the world. Ay, ay, ay. I lose my mind when I start thinking about you, girl. Hey, so don't you think I'll be lying to you, baby? I'm driving you crazy. I just can't go a day without you. That's why I'll be reminding you daily what I'ma do, baby. And the reasons that I do what I do is 'cause I want you, girl, like crows and I roll through my town. Is you rolling with me? And I'd be good if you holding me down. 'Cause you perfect for me. You're perfect for me. Yeah, you're perfect for me. Hey, this my baby and she perfect for me. You're perfect for me. Yeah, you're perfect for me. Hey, this my baby and she perfect for me.
I know what you like. I do. I do. You want me to be the one to tell you that you're beautiful. It's true. I know what you like. I do. I do. You want me to be the one to tell you that you're beautiful. Beautiful.
I know what she likes. I know what she likes. Oh yeah. I know what she likes. I know what she likes. Oh yeah. I know what she likes. I know what she likes. I know what she likes. Baby, baby, that's my baby, baby. I know what she likes. I know what she likes. Oh yeah. I know what she likes. I know what she likes. Oh yeah. I know what she likes. I know what she likes. I know what she likes. Baby, baby, that's my baby, baby.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoy. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if it was at all helpful. And yeah, I'm just showing you guys the back of my hair. I did use the bricklayering technique to part all over my head. And I will go ahead and link a video that will help you with your parting as well. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Way you look through them eyes, your pretty face and them thighs. I'm so intrigued by your mind, and not to mention your style, baby. I'm falling. I don't think I'ma get back up. I can be your Dirk, you can be my Dave Slow for tell them back up. Yeah, you know that I always got you. Yeah. And I'ma hold you down now. Yeah, you know that I always got you. Yeah.
I want you, girl, like crows and I roll through my town. Is you rolling with me? And I'd be good if you.
Alright you guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.